In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video size in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a clip into your project, find the right tools, and resize or crop it so it fits your frame cleanly without losing important details. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Add the video from your device, and you'll see it placed on the timeline with a preview above it. This preview is your main workspace where you'll see the result of every change you make. If you're working with several clips, make sure the specific one you want to adjust is on the timeline and clearly visible in the preview so you can focus on the right piece of footage. Tap the clip on the timeline to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see an outline and a set of editing tools appear along the bottom. This confirmation matters because if the clip isn't selected, the controls you need won't show up, and you may end up changing the canvas instead of the clip itself. Now, look for the crop option in the bottom toolbar. If it isn't immediately visible, swipe along the toolbar to reveal more tools and open the transform panel. This is where you'll find the controls that determine how the video sits inside your frame. To adjust size, you can pinch directly on the preview to scale the clip up or down, or use any available scale slider for finer control. Aim to fill the frame without distorting your footage. Keep important subjects centered and avoid pushing them too close to the edges. If you notice black bars or accidental cropping, scale up just enough to fill the frame, or decide if a little background space supports your style better. A helpful guideline is to scale only as much as you need to remove distractions while keeping everything crisp. You can also crop to remove unwanted edges and tighten the composition. Use the crop handles to trim the sides, top or bottom, and watch the preview as you adjust. Keep in mind that cropping cuts away pixels in that view, while scaling simply changes how large the clip appears in the frame. If faces, logos, or text need to remain visible, crop conservatively and then fine-tune the position with a slight scale or a gentle reposition. Play through a few seconds to confirm nothing important gets cut off during motion, and that's it. Import your clip, select it, open transform, then resize and crop as needed. With these simple adjustments, your video will look clean, intentional, and perfectly framed.